Jai Hind class 10 students. Children, how are you? Hope that you must be fine and doing your studies properly. So children, let's begin our revision work. So I just want to discuss, children, about the map work which is given in your book. Okay, in geography, resources and development. In that chapter also, various projects are situated at various places in various states, and in geography, the that is resources and development and agriculture. In both chapters, map work is there, and in history also there is map work. So your work is to purchase map workbook of class 10 and fill it and practice it, because 6 marks in your board exam is from map work section only. Okay, so let us come to the topic. And in one chapter is there, water resources in geography, and from that chapter also map work is there. From that chapter question answer will not come, but map work is going to come. So please pay attention on map work. Okay, so I would like to draw your attention. Okay, so children, you will feel all the minerals which are found in India state wise, you will show in map, and in agriculture you will show all types of crops, that is Kharif, Rabi and Jaid, which are grown in various states at various places. So you will fill it in your map workbook and show it to me, because 6 marks questions are going to come from map work only, and it is not very hard, it is simple, and a little bit hard work is required to do it, and then you will get full marks in this. Okay, so this is all about map. Okay, minerals and industries. Okay, in this chapter also, and in resources and development, major soil types of India. Okay, means 5 to 6 types of soils are found: mountainous, alluvial, arid, black, laterite, red and yellow. These type of soils are found in various states. Like black soil is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then alluvial soil is found in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Okay, so you have to show. Okay, and if any problem comes, you will ask me. In water resources, you have to show main dam projects which are found in various states of India, like Hirakund dam project in Odisha and Bhakra Nangal dam project in Punjab. Okay, so when you purchase that map workbook, all map practice set will be given in that book according to lessons, and you have to simply practice it, feel it and give it to me for checking. I will check it. If any problem comes, I am always here to help you people. So I hope that you will do it. So today I just wanted to discuss about this topic only. And children, You might be knowing that when our virtual classes were going on, during that time also I gave you so many instructions related with the map work. So I hope that you will do it and submit it to me for checking. So children, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.